Hey guys, I have a super fun look here with these gold chrome nails. This was my first time using this chrome powder. So I'm starting out, I already have base coat and two different colors of polish shown there. That's kind of like for my base. I usually like a lighter base. Now this chrome I got from Sally's Beauty, I would not recommend. It was like almost $14, but your girl needed to try this as soon as possible. I didn't want to wait for Amazon or anything like that. It was cute, but you could get like a whole kit for the amount I paid at Sally's, but I'm just letting you know that that is where I got this brand. So I'm just starting out with these white French tips. Now, this was kind of a freestyle, kind of planned. So I didn't know if I was going to do chrome on all the nails, and I was actually going to leave some white. So I was trying to do a decent job on the French tip. As you can see in the thumbnail in the beginning of the video, I did decide and do them all gold, but it's good to practice because French tips are like my favorite nail. I think they're really aesthetically pleasing. When I used to get my nails done at the salon, I would always get like different colored Frenches and even different styles of French. So I was just trying my best. So what I do is kind of the A method. I use my really, really long skinny brush to make the A, and then I fill it in with the regular brush that comes with the gel polish that I'm using, and then I use my little tiny brush to get all the nooks and crannies, and that's just what works for me. If you guys are new to watching my videos and you like this type of content, or you like me, I do chit chat a lot in these videos. But yeah, if you like it, I really enjoy doing this and putting up videos for you guys of the different nail designs that I do. So please give the video a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Since again, right now I'm just doing the French tips on all of these, and I already kind of let you guys know how that's going. I'm just really going to talk with you guys. Valentine's just passed. I did not have the best day, but I hope all of you guys did. If you have any fun Valentine's Day stories, definitely share those below. Maybe it'll make me feel romantic. I don't really know, but it's still fun. I honestly like all the holidays, whether I like celebrate them or do anything or not. I really just like going to Target and the other stores and looking at all this stuff to buy, and of course seeing the different nail designs. I love the Valentine's nail designs. My favorite so far since like getting into doing my own nail designs has been Halloween. Wintertime was just okay. I mean, I like the colors, but Halloween has it for me. Like, I would do dark, grungy nails like the most of the time. But I also like colors and playing around with things. So hopefully you guys had a great day as well. Let me know what your favorite like holiday nails are. I know St. Patrick's Day. I'm in a few nail groups, and a lot of people are asking for St. Patrick's Day nail designs, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I kind of forgot about that holiday. But I've been more into green lately, so I think that'll be fun. I actually think I have some new green colors, so maybe I'll do something with that. But yes. Oh, I do want to let you know, just in case I start talking over it, I want to let you know how I did this chrome and which method I decided to try, because I did hear two methods. So I'll describe both, and of course you will see what I do, but I'm going to tell you now as well. So what I did is I used a no wipe top coat. It didn't say it on the Model 1's bottle, but I went on their website and on their Amazon, and it is a no wipe top coat. So I top coated where I was putting the chrome powder. I put it in my lamp for 30 seconds, took it out, and immediately applied the chrome on top. It worked very well. Didn't get on the other areas. I did do a little bit of cleanup because I really wasn't sure if I could blow it away or not. And since it is kind of this glittery chrome, I didn't want to make a mess. But yeah, it didn't stick to the other parts. You can use like a little brush or an acetone brush to wipe it away. No big deal. I didn't see any problems with that. So yes, I did the chrome powder method using top coat. Now, I do watch a lot of other nail YouTubers as well. I'm in a few Facebook groups, and a lot of them said you do not need to do the top coat. You can simply put it directly over the gel polish. So like you see, I'm doing this white here. I could have cured that for 30 seconds, just the whole nail as is, without top coat, and then put it in the places that I wanted it, and then put my top coat on top. So essentially, I guess that's being done because, you know, like you're not having to like double top coat basically and kind of have that additional step. I did see a video where they said there was like a difference in how it looked, but to be honest, when they showed the before or the after result of doing with top coat and not, I didn't see the difference. The reason I went with this choice of doing the top coat is obviously because the top coat I'm putting on after this is matte. So I thought it'd be kind of difficult to do the chrome powder right now and then half matte and half top coated. I mean, it wouldn't, I don't know. You know what? It was just what I wanted to do in the moment. That's how I'm going to justify it, and that's all. But yeah. I'm using all Model 1's base coat, top coat, and matte top coat. So that's what I'm using right now to mattify the nails. I really like the Model 1's products. And this isn't like, they didn't send me this stuff or anything. I bought it on Amazon. I'll link everything below if you want to check it out. But I really like their top coat and their matte top coat. It's my favorite one I have so far. I don't think I have, I'd have to check. I don't think I have their colored polishes, but I really like these polishes and they kind of have a scent to them. But does anyone else kind of like the scent of nail products or like chemicals? Oh my God, I feel weird saying that, but you know what I mean. I know other people do. So yes, here we go. I am using now the Model 1's, like just regular clear top coat. That's no wipe. And I'm just putting it on the sections that I'm going to be doing the chrome powder. And then you'll see how I'm going to apply the chrome in just a moment. So I will let you guys watch and I'll be back. I do want to say that I do have a little chit chat story time with you guys. If you are a returning viewer, you may know that in some of my longer videos, I do a little chit chat story time. And if you're new to my videos, well, I'm letting you guys know that that's what I do sometimes. Again, if you guys like this content, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. What I'm going to do is pretty much kind of talk you through when I start putting on the chrome. And then after that, I'm going to go into that story time. Okay, so this little like eyeshadow thing, it looks like what you got in those like eyeshadow palettes when you were little. But that actually came with the powder. And for this first nail, I wasn't sure how to apply it, so I kind of scooped it up, and that's why you saw some fall on the table. But you do not need to scoop it. You will just like pat it in there, and a little goes a long way. And then you just rub it across. Some spots were not on the white area, so I just used one of my brushes, dipped in a little bit of acetone, and then I wiped it off on a paper towel and then rubbed it off. Honestly, you could probably use like your finger if you're okay with that, or just blow on it if it's just a little bit and you didn't actually like press it into the other area, if that makes sense. So basically, if it's just like powder on top, you can blow it off because you do need to like press it into the nail to get it to stay. And obviously, if you press it into an area that you don't want the powder anymore, you can use the method with the acetone. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these nails, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to talk to you guys about that story time. If you guys had seen my last video, I gave a little story time in. I will maybe link that below. I gotta find it. It wasn't my last one. I think it was my last one. Anyways, just to recap that, I was asked to be the maid of honor in my old neighbor's wedding. I am very new to weddings. I've never been in a wedding. I know nothing about it. I don't know what a reception is till this day. I didn't know what a bridal shower was. I did not know the roles. And also this lady was just my neighbor. Like our kids played together and that was the extent that I knew her. But of course, you know, I cared about her and I was very excited and appreciative to even be asked to such an important role. Now, I was very upfront and honest with her. She is quite a few years older than me, and I did let her know I have no experience in this, and she still wanted to offer me that position, and we moved on from there. However, a few months after that, I had like a lot of personal issues come up. Some of them were financial as well, and the communication was very, very difficult with other bridesmaids because, of course, I don't know these people at all, and they don't know me. They don't even know how I know this woman. So, you know, it was kind of difficult discussing like budgets for the showers and things like that. And those were very important to me because at that point I had, you know, my financial things come up, which was, you know, easy for me to discuss with the bride. But I'm not going to really discuss that with these other women. I'm just going to ask up front, what's everyone's budget? This is mine. These are the locations I put together. And it was just crickets. So at that point, after like some triggering stressors in my personal life, not the wedding, I had decided that maybe I would need to drop out of that. So the last story time I did was more of an, am I the asshole? Like, would I be the asshole for doing that? Another detail, the wedding is 6 months away as of today. And also like me having this idea of me being asshole, this was just like last week. But the crazy thing is, an update I have for you guys is that literally 2 days after posting that video, and I had a really great viewer write to me about it, and that was actually really, really helpful. So I did talk to the bride, but then one of the main bridesmaids dropped out of the wedding, like really drastically. Like it was drama, you guys. Like I was like, whoa. So of course at that point I'm like, no, Alexis, put on your big girl pants. You got to make this work. Like we're not doing this to her. Like that was not right. We're not standing behind that behavior. But I get it, you know, like I had the thought of dropping out. Like it was a stressful situation for everyone at that point, I feel like. For numerous reasons, including the communication and personal things. We all had personal things come up, and some people shared that, some people didn't. Like with the bridesmaids, they were sharing it with the bride and kind of putting it on her, but not sharing it with the bridesmaids. But anyway, so yeah, I'm in it to win it. You know, we're gonna rock it out. I'm gonna get things done. I've been more like not in people's face, but like more upfront. Like I need this information. This is when I need it by, and this is why I need it. And I've been getting results. So I'm really happy for that. And thank you if you're watching. I'm using my phone right now, so I can't see your name, but you know who you are, and thank you for that. That was actually a really, really kind for you to give me that advice, and I appreciate it. But yeah, back to the video. So this is a freestyle. I did not know what I was going to do, but when I just saw the chrome, I was like, I don't know. Wanted a little bit more. Didn't want to pull out the bling and stuff like that. I wasn't feeling that for the look. So I said, hey, I have on my little color palette or paint palette, the white out. So I started using the white, and I'm just using my shorter Beetles brush. I don't know if I already said it, because this is my second voiceover I did for this video because I messed up the last one. But if I haven't said it already, I will link everything below. But these are my Beetles brushes. I'm doing lines here. I actually found out that holding the stand like vertically was so much easier for these lines. I don't know if I'd do that for a full French tip because the A method does work well for me, but these lines just to do like the crescent, so much easier holding it vertical. You'll see I start doing that more when I use the second color. But the second color is this gel pot, I guess, from Born Pretty. It is so lovely. The consistency is perfect for drawing lines, and the color I figured matched well because it wasn't gold. I don't know if I'd call it a rusty color or brown. I don't know. What do you guys think for that color? Oh, well, we're not there yet, but you saw it in the beginning. But I decided to use that because it was different from the gold, but it was also kind of like that glittery reflective look as well. And I think it all tied in pretty well together. So I'll let you guys watch, but just a rundown, since I won't be chatting through the rest. I'm curing these white strips for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to do the next round of the brown lines, curing that for 60 seconds, top coating just the bottom, and then we're going to be done. This is that Born Pretty color. Let me know what color you guys think this is. Actually, you know what? I should just look if it has a name on here. Oh, it's called Golden Rod. Wow, that's descriptive. I love that. But yeah, if you are a new viewer and you are interested in DIY at home nail designs or methods to do your own nails, definitely check out my page. I do mostly do press-ons, and that is kind of my method that I really enjoy because I really enjoy designing the nails. However, I do have videos on dip powder, acrylic, and Gel X using really affordable beginner kits, and it gives you a really good look at a beginner using those products. And I have used all of those methods more than once. But again, most is press-on nails because I love the creativity and artwork, and I really enjoy watching this type of content as well. It's peaceful making it, but it's peaceful watching it as well. So if you like that type of thing, you could definitely check out some of the other videos on my page, of course, once you're done with watching this one. But yeah, there's always new things I'm trying out. I love being able to be creative, and I think it's really all up to you and what you're most comfortable with. And I want to definitely let everyone know to keep creating and keep having fun. There's something out there that you will enjoy. Now that I'm finishing up here, I do want to let you know in the end, I'm actually going to show two different shots of the end result. I always do the pop-off method. So I have a layer of base coat, a layer of gel polish on my nail. I put a little bit of cuticle oil, and then I use a little bit of glue so I'm able to put the nails on for the photos and the videos. I also file the nails once I'm done. I do not file them on because with the pop-off method, they might pop off if I'm being that hard. But you guys might see it's kind of like not super straight. I file them, and that's why it's straight in the end results. But yes, I use two different lightings. So you see here with the white background, I do not edit any of the videos that I use. It is just lighting with my ring light, and obviously playing around with the background colors brings out different colors. But yeah, that's it guys. Bye.